Welcome to the Student Success District Network. Following the COVID-19 pandemic, schools and districts often found themselves facing new or expanded challenges. Responding to those challenges was more than any one organization had the knowledge, skills, or resources to overcome. Grad Partnership grew out of an understanding that we can do more together than we each could do alone. The Grad Partnership for Student Success brings together 12 organizations to partner with schools, districts, states, and local community organizations to create the conditions necessary to bring the use of evidence-based student success systems from a new concept to a common practice. Student success systems aim to take what has been learned through implementation of existing evidence-based frameworks such as early warning systems and multi-tiered systems of supports to create a unified system that engages and supports all students. We are building a movement towards student success with a goal of reaching as many communities as possible. As district teams, you are vital to this movement. You are uniquely positioned to access and leverage existing programs and capacities to move towards integrated, student-focused systems. You understand your local context and have the ability to adopt and adapt student success systems to be effective and responsive within these contexts. Student success systems were not created in a vacuum. This work has been designed with input from over 300 educators. And Grad Partnership continues engaging with the field to learn about and refine student success system support and implementation. Student success systems provide a way of organizing the whole school community to understand and address school-wide patterns impacting student success. These systems are designed to consider school-wide influences such as culture and sense of belonging, and also respond to individual student strengths and needs. Effective student success systems build from existing frameworks to integrate strong relationships and timely data that inform action, and those are all guided by student-centered mindsets. Which brings us to the Student Success System Framework. This framework consists of 4 essential elements: strong, supportive relationships, high-quality student success systems build upon and strengthen supportive relationships within the school community, real-time, actionable, holistic data. School teams need access to research-based predictive indicators that are continually available at the student and teacher level throughout the year and are as current as possible. Strategic improvement actions. Student success systems use regular assessments of holistic data to develop strategic action that is student-centered, adapted to local context, and involves students, teachers, and the community members in decisions and implementation. Student-centered mindsets. Mindsets are the foundation of having a shared understanding behind why student success systems are needed and valued in the school community. These mindsets both propel student success systems and are shaped by them. This framework is guided by an assumption that for anything to happen, there has to be someone guiding the wheel. Student success teams understand how the student success system framework is being implemented at their school and work together on a regular basis to implement that framework and continually improve the system. In districts where student success systems are truly integrated into the culture, there is a team or teams implementing within each school, as well as a team or teams looking at the broader landscape at the district level, helping to chart a path, navigate obstacles, and facilitate collaboration at the district level. This Student Success District Network is intended for those district-level teams. Whether you are an official cross-department team that has been in place for years, or a more unofficial group of colleagues who understand your work is connected but don't yet have an official charge, this network is meant to help you connect or deepen a connection between your implementation and the Student Success System framework. The district network has grown out of a series of in-person convenings that were held between the fall of 2023 and the spring of 2025. These convenings were focused on building a network of practitioners dedicated to exploring and implementing student success systems. They were intentionally called convening over conference because they were intended to bring individuals together and foster collaboration and dialogue. Through this work, we regularly heard from participants a desire to continue similar types of discussion and more frequent engagement. This desire from participants for more regular engagement opportunities led to the Student Success District Network. The District Network will continue the discussions started during the in-person convening, grow the network beyond what singular in-person events can accomplish, and create opportunities for meaningful, sustained engagement. We have used what we've learned from the in-person convenings and gathered feedback from previous convening participants and our technical assistance partners to design a learning network focused on and responsive to the needs of district practitioners. Many of the themes for the first year were identified through feedback from the most recent convening. Previous convening participants were also surveyed on the network purpose, activities, and themes to help hone plans that would be relevant and responsive to district needs. Each monthly theme will include a combination of live and non-simultaneous activities, so each team can engage in the way that works best for them. The monthly themes will unite the live and simultaneous components of the network with discussion forums extending the topics covered in the live sessions. In addition, most months will include a guest presenter or moderator from one of the Grad Partnership partner organizations. These activities and themes are specifically focused on district implementation of student success systems. We suggest you participate in the network as a team of 3 to 5 individuals from your district to increase your ability to engage consistently as a district in a wider range of network activities with lower burden on each individual, and to help foster collaboration and further implementation within your district. Grad partnership, learning, support, and networking opportunities create an ecosystem of independent but interconnected engagement approaches. At Grad Partnership, we acknowledge that student success system work involves many partners at different levels of the system. One network or format would not be able to meet the needs of each of these groups. Instead, we have adapted 3 approaches. The Community of Practice is designed to build community and capacity of school-level implementation teams. This district network is a space for district-level implementation teams to learn from each other and grow. The third component, our Intermediary Learning Network, is a space for organizations that support implementation of student success systems in local school cohorts and have a formal intermediary relationship with Grad Partnership. Partnership intermediaries work with a Grad Partnership TA partner to develop their organizational capacity to support student success system implementation so that more schools can receive the support they need. Many different types of organizations can serve as intermediaries, including districts, community-based organizations, and institutions of higher education. We will share information about connections to the work of the intermediaries and the communities of practice as relevant through the network. And when the areas of focus between the different components align, we will make those connections clear and provide information on any ways your professional network can benefit from other available resources. For example, if one of the planned network themes aligns with the topic being covered by the community of practice, we will help articulate the connection between district and school implementation and make sure you have information to support your schools with participation in the community of practice. The Student Support District Network is at heart a learning community. We have developed a set of norms to help guide engagement and ensure we can create a positive, welcoming, and professional learning environment for everyone to participate. These norms are a starting place for the network. They are built from the norms that were used for the in-person convenings and expanded to reflect an ongoing virtual community. We, not me. Share stories and airtime. When contributing to discussion forums, build on the ideas of others as well as sharing your own. Accept non-closure. The network will start discussions and continue to develop ongoing activities. Not all topics and discussions will achieve closure through network activities alone. Use the ideas, keep details in the community. Discussions may include details specific to an individual participant sharing their stories. Respect others' willingness to be open by not sharing details outside the community. Share to learn. The district network is meant to develop connections between collaborative learning and practices in the field, creating a continuous learning cycle. Engage with the intent to share your team's implementation experiences and insights with the network, and take back what you learn from the network to use with your team. Professional over personal. The district network is intended to develop professional connections and knowledge. Shared information and content should focus on professional content. We are all learners. Everyone comes to the district network from their own place in the student success system implementation path. We each come to this work as a learner. There is more than one way to do this work. We each acknowledge student success systems are as diverse as the contexts that they are implemented in. What works in one place may not work in another. We respect each other's differences and the shared learning that comes from the diversity of an experience. Make room for joy. Although we are engaging in serious work, we can still leave room for fun and joy within the network. From all of us at the Grad Partnership, thank you for your commitment to student success. We deeply value your participation in this network and look forward to learning with you.